This is the second part of my last lecture in which I have already shown you how to calculate the quantities for footing. Today we are going to discuss about the quantity calculation for footing PCC. As I have already told you, PCC bed is constructed below the footing and it provides support to the footing. As you can clearly visualize from this animation, PCC bed lies below the footing and provides the necessary support to it. The dimensions of PCC bed depends upon the size of footing. As we have the given length of footing equal to 1.2 meter and width equal to 1.4 meter, the length and width of PCC will be determined by adding 100 mm at either ends of each dimension. That is, length of PCC will be equal to length of footing plus 100 mm plus 100 mm, which will be equal to 1.4 meter. Similarly, the width of PCC will be equal to width of footing plus 100 mm plus 100 mm, which will be equal to 1.6 meter. The thickness of PCC will also be taken as 100 mm, that is 0.1 meter. Now we need to calculate the quantity of concrete, in which we will calculate the volume of cement, volume of sand and volume of aggregate. Volume of concrete will be equal to length of PCC bed into width of PCC bed and its depth. On substituting these values, we will get volume of concrete equal to 0.224 meter cube. It should be noted that this volume is the wet volume of concrete, so we need to convert this wet volume to dry volume by multiplying the wet volume to a constant 1.54. 1.54 is a conversion factor used to convert wet volume to dry volume. I have made a separate video for this. You can watch it by visiting the link in description. So dry volume will be equal to wet volume into 1.54. Wet volume is already calculated as 0.224. So on substituting these values, the dry volume will be equal to 0.344 meter cube. Volume of cement will be equal to ratio of cement upon total ratio into dry volume. For M15 grade of concrete, the ratio of cement is taken as 1 and total ratio will be 7, that is ratio of cement plus ratio of sand plus ratio of aggregate, that is 1 plus 2 plus 4. So volume of cement will be equal to 0.049 meter cube. Number of cement bags will be equal to volume of cement upon volume of 1 bag of cement. Volume of 1 bag of cement is 0.035 meter cube, which I have already calculated in my previous lectures. Number of cement bags will be equal to volume of cement, which is 0.049 upon volume of 1 bag of cement, which is 0.035, which will be equal to 1.4 bags. Volume of sand will be equal to ratio of sand upon total ratio into dry volume. Ratio of sand for M15 grade of concrete is 2 and total ratio is 7. Dry volume is already calculated as 0.344 meter cube. So volume of sand will be equal to 0.098 meter cube. Now we need to calculate the volume of aggregate, which will be equal to ratio of aggregate upon total ratio into dry volume. As the ratio of aggregate for M15 grade of concrete is 4 and total ratio is 7. So on substituting these values, we will get the volume of aggregate equal to 0.19 meter cube. The shuttering area will be equal to the peripheral area of PCC bed, which is equal to area of 4 sides, that is twice length into depth plus twice width into depth. On simplifying further, shuttering area will be equal to twice depth into length plus width. And on substituting these values, we will get shuttering area equal to 0.6 meter square. The bitumen paint area will be equal to peripheral area of PCC plus top area of PCC minus top or bottom area of footing. The peripheral area of PCC is already calculated as 0.6 meter square. Top area of PCC is equal to length into width of PCC bed which is 1.4 into 1.6. Top or bottom area of footing is equal to length into width of footing, which is 1.2 into 1.4. On substituting these values, the bitumen paint area will be equal to 1.16 meters square. The required area of polythene sheet will be equal to area of PCC bed, which is 1.4 into 1.6, which will be equal to 2.24 meters square. And the area required for termite control will also be equal to the area of PCC bed, that is 2.24 meters square. So this was all about this tutorial. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates in future. If you want to watch my lectures in Hindi or Urdu, you can subscribe my second channel. I will provide the link in description. Thank you.